Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change name on Emirates account. Now, here are the detailed steps to update your name on the Emirates account. The first thing to do is to launch your browser and go to the Emirates official website at emirates.com. Then, if you're new to Emirates, just use the sign up button to create a new account or use the login button to enter using an existing account. Now, once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Emirates. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of the screen. And in the top right corner of the screen, go ahead and click on your profile icon, which displays your account name. And once you click on that, it's going to take you here. The next thing that you're going to do from this drop down is to select My Overview. And that's going to take you into the Overview section. Now, in My Overview section, the next thing that you're going to do is to scroll down to the page, head over to the right corner of the screen, scroll down to the page until you find Manage My Profile. Now, click on Manage My Profile to access your account details. Now you're here. Under here, you have personal details, which is what we are looking for. Go ahead and click on personal details, and that's going to take you to your personal account details page. Okay, so from here, you see this is loading up. Now locate the field displaying your name, which is pretty much like the first part of the screen. So click on the edit details hyperlink that is just at the corner, and go ahead and edit your name to whatever you want it to be. Okay, so let's scroll the way down to the top, and you see that your first name is there, and you see that this name is really not clickable, meaning you really cannot change your name directly from here. But you can also change your date of birth. So you can only change your date of birth once, so please preview the information you've entered before you continue. Now, you cannot change your name, you cannot change your last name, you can change your email, you can change your contact number, and you can change your address, and go ahead and click on Save. Now, I can head over to passport details and also click on Add Passport Details. Here we have nationality. You can change that. You can change your passport number, your passport expiry date, and all of this. But you can see that you cannot directly change your name. Here, you cannot directly change your name in Emirates, in the Emirates web app, but there is a way that you can, you can get that done. And what's that way? Head over to the top of the screen and click on this help button that is here. And once you click on help, it's going to take you to the help desk. Right there in the help desk, just ask them or let them know that you, okay, so not loyalty, I said help. So just get help. Let's say special assistance and requests, so changing or canceling. All right, okay, let me check for this. I don't need special assistance anyways, but let's go for that and see what's gonna be like. Feedback and complaint. All right, so your name, your ticket number, and the flight. Now, what would you like to tell us? Help us identify which type of feedback you like to send. So click on that, and the drop down, I would like to make a complaint about that, or let's say just choose any of those options. At the end of the day, you just want to reach out to them. Then your feedback, so you can select a topic, just click on order. And once you click on order, here where you have the feedback of this complaint, let them know that you want to change your name on your Emirates account. Make it detailed, and once you're done, go ahead and click on submit, and they're going to walk you through the process of changing your name on your account. Now go over to the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.